Welcome at Pizza and More. The main topping of our pizza today is maybe unknown for someone of you. But I would say it's absolutely worth to try. I'm Jürgen and we make today the Pizza Nduja Calabrese. But as I already mentioned, maybe some of you don't know what Nduja is. Therefore, I want to say in a few words, it's a sausage from Italy. It's spicy and spreadable. This sausage is made from pork and 1/3 is chilies. This pork is minced and it's mixed with the chilies, and because of the high value of fat in this pork, it's spreadable. But from the texture, it's a salami. Nduja comes originally from Calabria, from the town Spillingia. And that's the reason why this sausage is also called Nduja di Spillingia. But please be a bit careful with the Nduja. I personally think the Nduja is very spicy, so therefore the amount of Nduja you add to your pizza, please decide by yourself how much Nduja and how spicy your pizza should be. But what else will we add onto our Pizza Nduja Calabrese? The base for our pizza is a pizza Margherita. And then we add on this Margherita the Nduja, and we add some sliced onions, red onions, ideally Tropea onions. After baking, we add some rocket and some dried tomatoes. And now we start with the pizza. I have here the pizza ball already on the counter. I took it out very gentle, otherwise the dough will be stressed and it's impossible to stretch the pizza. And now I stretch the pizza like a Neapolitan pizza is stretched. I press the air from the center towards the crust. Then the first we add onto our pizza is the tomato sauce. This is a normal tomato sauce, a Neapolitan one with only some salt in the tomatoes. If you want to prepare your pizza sauce on a different way, please feel free. As next, we add some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. You also could use pecorino or grana padano. Then some fresh basil. Then mozzarella fior di latte. Then the base is done. It's the pizza Margherita, and here you can see the Nduja. And here I use a teaspoon to sprinkle a bit the sausage onto my pizza. And then some red onions, as I said, ideally from Tropea. Unfortunately, I also have no Tropea onions, so therefore this is normal red onions. Now it's already time for the pizza peel. Some semolina onto the peel, then push the peel under, and now I stretch the pizza. And then on the peel, the pizza will be stretched to its final size. Then we add some olive oil, and the pizza is ready for the oven. And here comes our pizza out of the oven. And you can see I'm also not perfect. The pizza is not that round anymore, but it doesn't matter. I'm pretty sure the taste is exactly the same. Then I add here the dried tomatoes. There are different versions of dried tomatoes. Some are in olive oil, some are dry like mine. Choose these dried tomatoes you want. Or if you don't want dried tomatoes, then simply leave it away. And then here I have some rocket. And then again some olive oil. And now you saw the Pizza Nduja Calabrese is really something special. It's a bit a different kind of sausage. It's the dried tomatoes. It makes a really fantastic taste on this kind of pizza. I really would recommend try this kind of pizza as well, because then you have not always the same and pizza will never be boring. Yeah, if you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel. And then we see us also in the next video. Ciao.